Hi guys, this is Pranay and you're watching TechnoMaster. So guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you the full specifications of newly launched smartphone by HTC called HTC Wildfire X. And guys, lastly, I'll give my opinion. So guys, please watch this video till the end. And if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then guys, click that subscribe button and then press the bell notification icon so that you guys will be get notified whenever we upload a new video. So guys, let's quickly get started. So let's start this video guys with the screen size. So HTC Wildfire X comes with 6.22 inches 19:9 HD plus water drop notch display. Now coming to the processor. So this set comes with 2 GHz octa-core MediaTek Helio P22 processor with PowerVR GE8320 GPU, and this processor is based on 12 nanometer process. Now coming to the RAM and ROM guys. This set comes with two different variants: 3 GB RAM with 32 GB storage and 4 GB of RAM with 64 GB of internal storage. Now and microSD card slot is expandable up to 256 GB on this device. Now let's come to the Android version guys. So this comes with Android 9 Pie out of the box, and dual SIM with 4G VoLTE support is there on this device. So now guys, let's move to the cameras. So firstly, let's look at the rear camera of this device. So this sensor comes with triple rear cameras. Primary sensor is 12 megapixel sensor and second one is 8 megapixel sensor for 2x optical lossless zoom and for 8x hybrid zoom as well, and third one is 5 megapixel depth sensor. Now coming to the front camera guys, this sensor comes with single 8 megapixel of front camera. Now let's move to the guys fingerprint scanner. So this sensor comes with fingerprint scanner and face unlock is also there. So now let's move to the battery guys. This sensor comes with 3300 mAh of battery capacity with 10-watt charging support. So now let's jump to the pricing guys. So starting price of this device is 10,000 Indian rupees and it goes up to 13,000 Indian rupees. So now let's move to the conclusion. So according to me guys, I think at this price point this handset is not worth of for buying. So guys, please don't purchase this handset. So thanks a lot for watching guys. If you have any questions, just drop your questions in the comment section below guys, and make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos like this. Thank you guys.